Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is your Realme camera flashlight not working or not running on while taking photos? Don't worry, I will show you the quick and easy fix. Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and scroll down. Now tap on the camera and now tap on the force stops. Okay, scroll down. Now tap on the storage and clear cache and clear data, delete, go back. Now tap on the permission option and allow all permission: camera, location, microphone, music and audio, nearby device, notification, photos and videos. Allow all permission. Okay, back. And now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone, and now open your camera and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Flashlight down on your phone.